Hello guys, let's make this delicious ribs that falls off the bone and packed with so many delicious flavors. So for this recipe we are going to make sure we season our ribs very well. Make sure you take off the membrane of the ribs, of course, and we are going to use a crock pot for this recipe. Place your ribs inside the crock pot. You're going to create your sticky sauce. Recipe will be in the description, and make sure you apply it all around your ribs. And we're going to cover our crock pot with some aluminum foil to make sure the heat actually gets in there really well for about 6 to 8 hours. And 1 hour before the end of the cooking, feel free to add any kind of veggies that you would like to pair these ribs with. I added some potatoes and some carrots for myself because I love them. At the end of the cooking, you're going to place everything on the tray, and you're going to add the leftover, some of the leftover sticky sauce, and you're going to pop it in the oven at 335 for about 20 minutes. And then voila, it's finished. It's super delicious, super easy to make. You can go and add more of the sticky sauce because I made some extra, so I had like a lot left over, and any of the juices, and voila, you can pair this whatever you want. If you like this recipe, feel free to follow me, like this recipe, and thanks for watching.